Hello everyone. This is ACMA Aruna Bochariji. Well, the topic of this video is that you all must have come to know right now, the CMA inter and the final students, that the exams for those to whom the messages have come that due to situations beyond our control, the exams will not be held. It will be held from the 3rd of January 2020 onwards. So means nothing can be told. For few people in Kolkata, the thing is such that the admit card server is working, but when you write the admit card, but when you write the registration number, and when you click on the status, they are showing only the group that you have appeared for. Well, this is a clear indication, as per the informations received from the institute, that if your server is okay, and if even after putting your registration number you are not getting your admit card, that means your exams are rescheduled. So, well, all the best to all those whose exams are scheduled from the 8th of December 2021 onwards. Best of luck to them. But again, for those whose exams are now rescheduled, see, a new variant of the corona, of the COVID, that is the Omicron, I think you all have heard. Now that is also a point of concern, because the exams will be held on 3rd of January 2021. I am hoping that everything is all right. There is no seriousnesses, as the first and the second waves have created havoc in the entire country. The best time to to conduct the examination was from the 8th of December 2021. You shouldn't have waited for the next month, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. There is one more thing of concern which I want to address. 2 days back, when there was a webinar from 9 o'clock at night to 9:30 or so, there you people told that the admit cards will be out soon. Now you did not say that partial admit cards will be allotted and partial will not be allotted, and after that, within 1 or 2 hours, maybe from 11:55 or 12 o'clock, the admit cards were issued. Means there were people were saying that the server is fine, you can see the admit cards. Maybe 1 or 2 of them was able to see, and after that the server crashed once and for all for many hours. But the fact is that you mean to say that at 9 to 9:30, when you had come out for the webinar, you had no idea that only partial admit cards will be given out and the others will have a rescheduling of the examination? You mean to say that you had only come out to say the exam pattern and only to give this message that the admit cards will be out soon? वो तो बिना बता के भी वैसे ही अगर रिलीज कर देते, वैसे ही you are late. Server is crashed for 2 days. People have to wait till 2:30, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then people are having to download their admit cards. सेंटर्स भी ऐसे पड़े हैं 100, 200, 35, 40 किलोमीटर दूर घर से. It is absolutely a haywire condition for the management of the CMA Institute. It is taking the entire market reputation down. अब इससे ज़्यादा डीमोटिवेटेड अगर स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होंगे तो क्या होंगे, तो किससे होंगे? I don't know what you people are up to, how you people are managing, but in the month of January there is that Omicron, COVID-19 variant Omicron, that is a concern. I am extremely worried about that. I am extremely worried about those students who are unfortunate that they are not being able to give exams from December 8. I don't know exactly what will happen. Yes, some will say that yes, it is a good luck, that let the others give their exams, let us check the pattern, and then we will have some time from the 3rd of January. But again, from my point of view, फिर से ये फिर नाइंसाफ़ी हो गया, because the 8th December वाले बहुत बच्चे, they wanted some time, they wanted some more time so that they can review the question paper pattern, because nothing was clear. Until just 2 days back, 5 or 6 days ago, you people have come out by saying that these will be the exam pattern, in this way the exam will be conducted, and so on. I don't know exactly what to say you. I have no idea. I am hoping and I'm praying to God that the exams from the 8th are conducted successfully, and I am also hoping and praying to God that if at all the exams which are rescheduled from the 3rd of January, if they are conducted actually, and this Omicron variant does not create a havoc in the country till then, because it is around 25 days more from now, I am hoping that the exam is successful and people have no difficulty like they are having right now. So nothing can be told to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. This is a very common sense. You should have been absolutely thorough in your preparation with the online mode, and only then you should have shifted to the online mode. Otherwise, there was nothing to hurry. You should have continued with your offline mode until and unless your all the seats, your all the your all the required students' seats, you were getting the centers at one single time. There can be hundreds of questions that can be raised on this type of matters, and all of them could have been avoided, in fact should have been avoided. But each time you are proving that you are not good with your management techniques. You are absolutely not good. There is no question that your management is absolutely not good. The decision of abrupt starting of the online mode of examination without any type of preparation from your end, without any kind of solid infrastructure from your end, has proved disastrous. Now please don't come and say me that I am saying something illogical and all, because these are not illogical at all. Illogical is exactly what you people are doing. I don't know what else to say. Only best of luck to the people who are giving exams from the 8th December 2021. Study hard. And for the students for whom it is rescheduled on the 3rd of January, please keep studying. Study at the pace at which as if your exams would have been held from the 8th of December only. If at all, if everything goes well again, then 3rd of January is only 20-25 days far from today. So just continue your studies, keep up your preparation, and let's see what can be done. Thank you. More until the next video. Thank you so much.